Zaya, what the? See this demon? Demon, a heathen. Zaya, you can't lick me in the mouth when my mouth's open. No, you sicko. You're a sicko. My tongue touched your tongue. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, how are you guys doing this wonderful day? It is currently, oh my god, it's 11:20 at night. What is wrong with me? It has been a long ass fucking day. Okay, I had a phone call meeting this morning. I uploaded a video today on YouTube. I went to the gym. Then I went to Desi Perkins' house to pick this bad bitch up. Thank you, Desi. Fucking love you. Thank you for giving me a fucking thing. I love you. And now I'm back home. So now I'm finally filming the video that I was supposed to film today. So what is up, you guys? Today's video, I'm actually really excited about today's video because I'm going to be testing out the new KKW Beauty Body Foundation. It's basically a foundation for your body. It's fucking massive. It's way bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's literally like, hello. 4 fluid ounces. Baby, you can't take this on a plane. Snakes on a plane. No foundations on the plane, though. Absolutely not. I actually was really curious when I saw Kim come out with this. It's been sold out. Like, I have not been able to get it, so thank you, Desi, for letting me borrow her lightest shade to try it on myself because I really wanted to test it out and see how it worked on my vitiligo. A lot of you guys do know this. A lot of you guys do not. I have vitiligo. It's an autoimmune disease in which your white blood cells attack your melanocytes, which is like basically the pigment in your skin. Therefore, you get white polka dots, like basically white spots. So you can see them here on my finger right here. It's all around my nail beds on all my fingers. You can see like this one has like, it's like a big spot right there. We have like a cluster right here. And I have it in other spots on my body as well, but I thought it would be really cool to see it on my hand if it will cover my vitiligo spots because it is a body foundation. And I was so intrigued by this when I saw it come out because Kim has psoriasis, which is another autoimmune skin condition as well. And she uses it to cover up her psoriasis. So I thought, you know what? I want to see if I can test this out and see how it goes onto my skin with vitiligo and see if it does it cover it, does it make everything look even and, you know, very like flawless and perfect. We will see. I'm very excited to try it out. I also want to do a little bit on the face just to see what the foundation feels like on the face as well. Because I know it's a body foundation, but if you can put it on your body, like why can't you put it on your face? But anyways, you guys, that's what today's video is going to be. I hope you guys have fun watching it. I think it's gonna be really fun. I'm very interested, and we're gonna be doing a review on this bad bitch right here. I'm so excited because I am excited. So there's 7 shades total. There's a fair, light, medium, tan, medium, dark, deep, and deep dark. Or they retail for $45. When I saw the price at first, I was like, that's a lot of money. But you're actually getting so much product. I'm using the shade fair today. When I was at Daisy's house looking for my shade, I thought I was gonna be the shade light. Bitch. The colors are very deceptive because the light one was it was like medium. And the medium one was like tan. And the tan one was like dark. So I feel like whatever shade you think you are, you're gonna need to go underneath that. So I would definitely say that if you guys are my complexion, go with the fairest one. But anyways, you guys, it is a body foundation that works to blur imperfections, enhance skin tone, and provide a flawless finish for any look. Creamy formula, innovative pigments blend evenly and seamlessly into the skin. The soft focus, light diffusing spheres blur imperfections, while the silky powders leave the skin with a naturally flawless finish that's never sticky or heavy. Water resistant formula. All right. Apply a small amount of body makeup on dry, clean skin or directly onto your KKW Beauty brush. Apply to enhance skin, even out, and cover up imperfections. It's self-explanatory. It's literally foundation for the body. But the true test is to see how it acts on my hands, how it acts on my vitiligo, and I'm actually very interested because I want to put it on other spots of my body and see what it looks like with that, with like more intense spots. You know, this could be a really awesome thing for those who are insecure about, you know, different skin conditions and skin ailments and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out right now. It's so big, like baby shark do. Okay, no, calm down. What? I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M439. It's a great large brush. There's a lot of it. It's a big circumference. You can just fill a lot of areas really quickly. It's one of my favorite Morphe brushes for foundation. If I'm gonna go and put the body foundation, a little drop, I feel like that should be fine. And we're gonna do the hand. Okay, we're just gonna put the most like on the hand and we're gonna, I'm scared. We're gonna blend it up the hand. Okay, we're gonna put it up the fingers. This is the shade fair. I'm gonna put it on. It feels pretty heavy. It's like a heavier, creamy consistency. I'm gonna put it on. It smells so good. Oh my God, it's like a coconutty, fruity scent. Ew, I love it. Putting that in here. We're just gonna dot it in. Okay, so I can obviously see that this hand looks more flawless than this hand. This hand has had better days. This hand has been like, bitch, hey, what's up? Obviously, you guys can still see my spots through the foundation. It dried very fast. Okay, we're gonna do one more little coat, a little layer, if you will, because I'm really interested to see if it will cover my spots completely. I also put the most right here, so maybe if I put the more on the fingers, like, and I dot it around my vitiligo spots, I can see more of a return. It's just hard because I feel like on my fingers, it's like not a fun, cute spot. And it's so clockable because it's like, do you have wrinkles in your hands, you know? It's so like, oh, hey, are you wearing foundation in your hands? No, bitch, don't look at them. It's hard not to get it on your actual nail itself too because of my vitiligos by my nail beds. So this is with 2 layers and this is with none. I, of course, can still see a little bit of the vitiligo underneath it, but you guys, holy shit, like it made a difference. Like it actually made a freaking difference. And also you guys, the consistency, it feels like a velvet matte finish. It's not, I don't feel like it's gonna be transfer proof. Like I really don't feel that. I feel like it definitely will transfer. So I think you'd have to kind of set it with a translucent powder. I'm just gonna lightly just dust a big brush over that I put powder on earlier with. And just kind of lightly just. This hand looks flawless. Oh my god, it fucking covered, dude. Like it totally did. Like with 2 layers, mostly concentrated on the fingers, of course. But I feel like it really did help. Mom, gay. Like I feel like I honestly feel like I can function with this. It doesn't feel heavy on the hands. It feels very, very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lot. I mean, of course it feels like, it's almost like I feel like I'm wearing a heavier lotion. That's what it feels like right now on my hands. But all in all, you guys, I think that it does cover quite nicely. I can still see my spot here. Like it's pretty prominent still. I'm looking at the viewfinder right now. Still prominent. The spots here aren't as prominent, but this was such a big spot that it kind of like had more to cover. But I think that, I feel like at a quick glance, you couldn't see it as easily. You know what I mean? Like I feel like if I was talking, not that I'm talking like this and like, hey, fucking bitch, what's up? You guys, I swear to God, I feel like I keep seeing people. Like I keep seeing flashes. Am I okay? Anyway, so I feel like, of course, you guys, it did not cover fully. I would say it's like a nice medium coverage, buildable coverage, so clearly it's buildable. But look how like my hand looks so like matte and lifeless. Stop. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on another spot of my body. I want to test a little bit on my skin and see what it feels like on my actual carita on my face and see what it performs like. Because again, it is a butt. Whoa. It smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells so good. Mira que linda. I meant linda and rico. Okay, great. Feels pretty heavy, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. It feels like definitely more of a heavier consistency. This isn't like very lightweight, tiny, like, ooh, like thin, nimble little formula. It's more of a heavier one for sure. It almost looks as if it's a medium coverage foundation on my skin. You know, it's not super full coverage, but it's not sheer. Why does it match my skin really nicely? That's really weird. I'm just gonna blend that into the skin and see how it dries down as well on the forehead and on the face. It blends very, very easily and it moves really nicely as well. I wanna put it everywhere. I literally wanna put it everywhere. What is wrong with me? See, you guys, even on my face, it's still a little dark for me. And this is fair. I think they need to, you know, step their bootsies up on the shades because it's extremely deceptive. I'm gonna go put it on my neck a little bit. Kind of even out the skin tone of my neck. You guys, I honestly think I'm gonna continue to use this, like seriously, especially on the body, like on my neck. I love putting like a little bit of foundation on my neck. Usually I put powder foundations on my neck, but if this one dries to a velvety matte finish, it's really nice. Okay guys, so this is the face. It's drying down, but it's not drying down very quickly. I feel like it just makes me look really healthy. Like I feel like it's not giving me a lot of coverage, but it's making me look really healthy, really like natural. Like I feel like it doesn't look like I have a lot of foundation on, right? It feels like I have like a little bit of like a little something, but nothing heavy. And that's how I feel. And that's how I feel on the hand as well. Wow, I'm actually really liking this. But let's go ahead and put it on another spot of the body and see exactly how it performs there before I give you my verdict. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead. Oh my god, this is so weird, like being so tall, it feels fucking weird. Huh, what a weird angle. I've never been this high before. I'm sorry it looks like shit, you guys, I'm so high up. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try it. I feel so weird, like being so high up. This feels so awkward to me. I wanna scream. Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and try it in another spot of my body. I have to try it, like I have to do. Oh my god, oh my god. You guys just assume, you can assume where I'm putting it, okay? You can just assume what's happening, what we're doing right now, and where it's going. So now we're gonna go and test it out. Let's go and take a more fine brush on this one. Okay guys, let's freaking do this and see. Woo, okay. Ah, it's fucking cold. It's fucking cold, okay, let's try it, okay. Small circular motions. I'm gonna have to throw this brush away, huh? Oh my god, imagine my fucking brother walked in right now. I would die 1,000 deaths. Okay guys, so far, as I'm applying in other spots of my body that have vitiligo as well, it's not covering as well as it did on my hands. How does that blend? Let's see how that blends. Pretty well. So I don't have vitiligo all over my stomach. It's just that pale. It's just what it looks like, okay? There's nothing to fear, okay? So I went ahead and I put it, you guys, I put it on other spots of my body just to see how it reacts, how it performs. I think it definitely performs best on the hands. And like upper body area, I think would be absolutely best. But you guys, it is definitely covering up my spots. Like it definitely is doing something. It's not giving me like, you know, the full coverage that I thought it would. It's giving me a nice like medium coverage, but it's definitely a lighter consistency. Like it's thick and it's dense, but it's easy to blend. Like it's not a hard thing to blend. And I really like that. Oh, my face is starting to like set too. It gives me a sheen, but it's becoming more velvety, more matte, if you will. Okay, amazing. Yeah, I need to wash that. Wow. It definitely covered. Not as heavily as I thought it would. Give me a second. Whew, okay guys, so now that I put it in not only my face, on my spots of my hands, and other spots on my body that are not allowed to be shown on YouTube because I will get demonetized the house down. Honestly, you guys, I really do think that this is like really dope. I honestly can see people using this, and I can really see people who are insecure about certain things on their body using this to feel more secure about themselves. You might have like, you know, vitiligo, for example, psoriasis, so many different things that are out there, like skin ailments, and you feel like this would give you some confidence to wear shorts out to the public. I say fucking get it. I think it's awesome. As someone who does suffer from vitiligo, I sometimes get really embarrassed and I feel really insecure about it sometimes, and especially in spots that are not visible for you guys to see right now. Like during like, you know, intimate moments that I have in my life, I will get so embarrassed sometimes that I can't even get hard because I'm so embarrassed about my spots, and I've gotten so much better about it, and I'm becoming more and more confident every day about it because it's not something that goes away, you know? It's like, it's here. But I think it's really awesome that this is out, and I think that it's really great, and I think that if you want to try it out, I think you guys will really get some great use out of it. I think it turned out great. It's not full coverage like I thought it was going to be, but it definitely did cover up my spots nicely, and it feels nice. Now I feel like there's nothing on my hands. Like it dried down fully. I feel like there's nothing on them. And yeah, you can still see the spots, of course, because my spots are pure white, but it like really made a difference. Like I really truly do. I think that if you want to try it, don't not try it because people are hating on it. You know what I mean? Like try it because you want to try it genuinely. And I think that if you do get it, I think you guys will actually really enjoy it. And I enjoy it. Like I really do. I can't wait to try it again. I'm very excited. I feel like it works really nicely. This color works really nicely with my skin complexion. I might not do it on my hands because that is like kind of a pain in the ass for me. And I've gotten used to the vitiligo on my hands, and I've gotten used to like the spots that I do have, and just kind of, you know, coping with that. But I'm gonna get through it. I know it's like not, you know, a terrible ailment, and I know it's not something that's life-threatening. Vitiligo is not a threatening disease, but it does not mean that my insecurity about it is any less than anyone else's insecurity about anything. You know, I still feel the feelings that I feel, and they're still very valid, just like how you guys are too. If you guys feel insecure about something, whether you have psoriasis or melasma or vitiligo, anything that you might have, and you feel insecure about it, you're okay to feel insecure about it, you know? Hopefully, as you get older, you'll grow into your skin, and you'll be able to love the skin you're in no matter what. It doesn't matter if you have spots or no spots, and I feel like I'm getting to that level, which is really fucking awesome. I hope I get there fast, because, you know, I got diagnosed a couple years back. But, you know, the fact that I'm not embarrassed about my hands anymore is really great. That's a step in the right direction. All in all, you guys, I think truly that if you want to try the body foundation out, and if you guys wanted to kind of even your complexions, if you guys wanted to, you know, cover up anything, I think you guys would really like this. It's a nice medium coverage. It's a very thick consistency, but it blends so nicely. It smells amazing. It's water resistant, and I honestly feel like it's not going anywhere because I kind of set it lightly with like a little powder. I think it's pretty freaking nice, honestly. And I think that KKW Beauty did an amazing job, and, you know, go Kim for being so open about her psoriasis and talking about it, and showing her legs on, you know, social media, and covering up the psoriasis with her foundation. That I think is amazing, and I think that it's really cool for her to show that, and I think it's amazing to show that, you know, even as someone as beautiful and successful as Kim Kardashian, you know, has an ailment that she's not always the most secure about all the time, and she wanted to cover it up sometimes. And that's totally okay too. As long as you feel comfortable, that's all that matters. And I think if this will give you some confidence, fucking get it. And I definitely approve this. I wish that the shade arrangement was better, because I feel like a lot of them are darker than they say they are. But I think all in all, it's actually really nice. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have fun watching it. I love you guys so much. Let me stop rambling. I feel like I'm rambling at this point. Zay is pissed off. What? She's being difficult. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye. Are we on? Are we on? I have an itch. I have a fucking itch. Oh my god. It's gonna get red now. It's gonna get red now. We have to wait for it to get inflamed. Apply a small amount of the that sounds inappropriate. Oh my god. it's cold. It is cold, isn't it? It is cold up in this fucking piece, ain't it? Okay, so I just wanted to test it in other spots of my spots. Other spots of my spots, okay? That's what I wanted to try. I feel like... What in the butt? No. No. I just ate. Okay, maybe we'll get seconds.